my God, Lauren.
What's up, everybody? Right now we're in the Poconos, Pocono Mountain, and I wanted to bring you guys with me so you guys can see what it's like. Right now we're in the woods, and you're gonna see a couple of things that I'm going through in the video.
So don't go no further than where you're at.
Whatever he said. All right, cool. I appreciate you, man. I don't know. Just don't go no further. I respect that. This might be like private property, I think. Look at this dude right here. We still in the Poconos, y'all. This is the cabin right here. Got a little oven. Got the big, nice bed over here. Got one bathroom right here, too. Oh. Got everything. Milo's coming, too. All right, got my wallet.
You got the shovel? The big shovel?
Oh, yeah. This is crazy.
This lens is really wide.
It is, right? So you can see what I'm saying about, you can see so much more.
Yeah, like, look, I'm right here and I can see you.
I can get real close. Look, watch how close I can get to you. You can still see stuff, right?
Yeah.
So
It's like fishbowl.
That's why I got it.
Like
But you know what's good about that one? It doesn't have that, it doesn't bend lines. You know what I mean?
I don't know what that means.
You know how like a fisheye, the lines bend?
Yeah.
On that lens, it's not supposed to. It's like 1%. It's pretty good.
This camera's heavy.
Go ahead, Milo, go. So desperate. One more thing, baby. Let's go.
The light?
Just close it, right?
Yeah, but lock it.
Okay.
No. Come out.
Oh,
Pull it close. Press the top button above the numbers, and then spin the thing.
oh, thank you.
And now make sure it's locked.
Yep.
Okay.
Without you, psh,
I don't know how you be getting through the door.
word. Let's go. Come on, Milo. So basically, what we're doing right now is, hold on. All right. So we're trying to start a fire, right? But there's no shovels and there's snow out here. So we got to do what we got to do. We're going to use this right here to get the snow out. And we're going to try to start a fire so we can make some steaks and some s'mores and stuff or something. I don't know where he think he know where he going. Milo, come here. I don't want to make too much noise.
My feet make a lot of noise.
Word. And just try to hold it steady, that's all. You know?
Right, sorry.
It's okay.
I'm over here like forgetting to
Boing, boing.
It's like looking at the ground.
Word.
Oh,
Now you good.
wow, this is hard work.
Come on, man. Oh,
Don't go too fast.
you're gonna follow my footsteps, right?
Yeah. But I have to carry all this. I don't have a lot of balance.
Okay.
So
It's gonna be a lot of work for you. I don't know how we're gonna do this. You know, if I drop him, he gonna disappear.
don't drop him.
Word. The good thing is that it's not that cold. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like he's freezing. So people online gonna be like, that's animal abuse, you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, true.
All right, so let me start digging. Look at this fool.
Oh no.
Let him do it so he can learn. Get back on the chair. That's what.
Oh, he's cold. Help him.
Should we take him back?
Milo. Oh no, poor thing.
You might have to take him back. Let me just dig a little more. This don't look right.
Come on.
This look like animal abuse.
Come here, Milo. Come. On the chair.
We're gonna get this fire going. Ugh. Can't believe we gotta do this, man. If we had a real shovel, it would be easier.
My thing is the fire gonna start if it's this wet?
I don't know.
Even if we get the snow out?
That's gonna be the hard part. That's why I feel like the liquid would help. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me back up a little bit. Let me Need some of that over here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. We need fire around here. I'm starting to see black stuff. Ugh. Why am I doing this?
What do you mean? You're determined to make a fire.
Yeah. It's just weird because it's mad snow in here. Is it worth it?
I don't know. And will it even work?
That's what I'm saying.
We made it this far. Milo, don't jump. Oh, he's trying. Steady, steady.
Oh. Watch tomorrow somebody be saying here.
I know, I'm enjoying the fire.
Word. All right, so I'm gonna dig this out. We'll be right back.
Oh my God, Lauren.
It's just us. Look how dirty he got. Milo, be careful. Milo, you see something? Let me know, man. Let me know if you see something, man. I think he saw something. We about to get out of here. Perfect. Let me see. This
And there's a lot.
Good idea. Good idea.
Should we use all of them? No, it's not so bad.
No, not all of them. They might charge us. Be like, yo, you use all the coffee things?
We drink a lot of coffee. We love coffee.
You can leave them like about 2 or 3. I think that's good.
You are underestimating how hard it is to start a fire.
True. I'm about to.
Wow, he's still eating that.
Like, this good. Damn, Milo. Calm down.
Stress them out.
Word. He like, yo, I'm gonna eat this.
Don't bother him.
Damn, Milo. Calm down, man.
I mean, maybe he's warmer right there because there's no snow.
That's a sign. He's like, okay, it's ready.
Be by me,
True.
by his mother.
Oh, you his mom now? Oh, shit.
Yes.
Bet. He like, you're not my dad. You ever seen that?
Yeah.
Whoa, stay. Let the woman do the work.
Huh?
Nothing.
You want something done?
Let the woman do it.
Yeah. You want something not done? Have a man do it.
Wow.
Just kidding.
It be like that though sometimes.
I think you should like try to light a piece of that and then drop it
Word. And then save the extras.
in. Yeah.
I'd rather light this cardboard.
You back up.
This should be good. I like fires. I'm not an arsonist, but I do like fire though.
Oh, okay. Good.
Ooh. Got it right there. There
Okay,
you go.
okay, okay. Okay.
Okay, get a
It's
little
spreading.
fire going.
Now,
Hold up.
oh, it's spreading.
Add some more tissue. Tissue is gonna make it spread a lot. There you go. Ooh.
Oh, shit. This is.
Whoa. Back up, back up. All right. Let me throw that in there.
Oh my gosh. That was easier than I thought. You're adding more flame?
Yeah, because it's about to go out.
Really?
It look like it is.
It does not look like it to me.
Let me put some over there though, because that section ain't getting nothing.
It's spreading. I'm scared.
We need to make this food. All that. Right?
Yeah.
That was a big mistake. As you can see, the food almost got really burnt. It wasn't cooking right, so we had to go back into the cabin to go finish making the food the right way. Ooh. There we go. Oh, you adding in some more seasoning in there? Okay.
There's no seasoning.
I see you. I see you.
Throw these in.
You see the outcome too. Look at that. Holy moly. Ooh. For 2 people, man. I'm gonna give Milo a little bit. That little piece right there, but then that's about it. Because he had his own food. He did a good job today. Right? Nah. We're good. Oh, snap. As long as this building is not burning down, then we're good. Yep, see, they left.
Are you sure?
Yep. We're good. We're good. We're good. We good, everybody. We good. This is the cabin. Got 2 bedrooms in here if you need an extra room. This is the kitchen over here. Got everything we need. Got the stove. Got the TV. The TV right there. Got the couch. Little table over here. 1 bedroom. And if you look this way, got a bathroom over here. Not bad, right? Nice little bathroom. This is the second room if you need 2 rooms. Pretty spacious. Got a closet over there. And then, I guess this is like the master room or something. Got the closet. This room's a little bigger. We got a bathroom over there too. In the room, so it's pretty cool. See? Ooh, there you go. Got the tub. Yeah, this is the cabin. Not bad. So, all right, let me turn this off. Anyways, everyone that's been watching my videos and rocking with me, I really appreciate you guys, man. So right now, we're gonna end it, we're gonna wrap it up. And until next time, peace out.